Hello everyone, and welcome to just a quick kind of explanation about how to interpret your schedule. So on the screen right now you're seeing three images. To the left you're seeing the master schedule that just shows the times and the periods throughout the course of the day at Robinson Middle School. To the right, this top schedule right here is an example of a student face-to-face or what we're calling remote schedule, and then towards the bottom is if you are an RCL student in Odysseyware, this is a typical schedule that you might see. So let's just work through both of these schedules, and if the one schedule doesn't pertain to you, you can just ignore that portion of this video. So if I am a face-to-face or remote student, I see here my schedule or my periods, and then they connect with the grade band and the times listed. So the first period I see in this schedule is homeroom, and homeroom and advisory period 1, whatever you want to call it, is not going to start for 2 weeks. And when it does start, it will include things like naviance, goal setting, just a great way to start the day and sort of get things planned out for the year. And again, that course is not going to start until August 24th. So then we keep working down the schedule and we see, all right, this 8th grader has language arts. So when does that period happen? So I go to 8th grade, period 2 starts at 8:16 and runs through 9:16, an hour-long language arts session. In the 8th grade schedule right here, I see that my next period, period 3, is going to be a related arts. And so it is confusing because I have to go down and find that section number. There it is, 3. So my third period class in related arts is going to be STEM 8. And I go back up here for my 4th period class, which is going to be science. Roll over here, and that starts at 10:11 and it ends at 11:10. And then the 5th period, I'll have math 8, and that goes from 11:13 to 12:13. And then I've got a lunch period, and then I'm skipping over here to 6th. And 6th period is another related arts, and I'm in wellness by the looks of this schedule for quarter 1. And so that's another thing with these face-to-face schedules, you're going to see the different quarters. And so for that first 9 weeks, you're going to be in Q1, STEM 8, and wellness 8 for related arts. And then it works down through the rest of the quarters there. And then my last period of the day, period 7, by the looks of things, it's going to be American history, period 7, and that goes from 1:47 to 2:45. And so we're telling you these things so that you can sort of have a physical schedule in your mind as you are working at home through your coursework. And if there are live conferences or collaborations with your teachers going on, those will occur during those time periods. So it's nice to cross-reference the actual physical schedule, so we know, hey, what time, if my teacher's going live, do I need to show up in Canvas conferences or in Google Meet. Now looking down here at the RCL schedule, and so the RCL schedule is a little different in that it's just showing right now your one related arts course and the 4 academic courses that are full year. So in this schedule we have a 6th grader, just seen with the 6 designation, and so I'm going to roll up to the top of the master schedule, and that's how I'm going to view these physical periods here. So again, we have homeroom or advisory periods 1 through 2. That's how it shows up in the RCL schedule. We're not going to start that until the 24th. Okay, and then we just have one related arts period, and that's period 5. So I'm just going to go down the list. So homeroom doesn't happen for a couple weeks. Then we go to math 6 with Tanya Skelton, and that's period 3. It starts from 9:06 to 10:05. And for RCL students where you aren't going to be physically connected to your teacher's Canvas course or Google Classroom course or what have you, that will be office hours for contacting Ms. Skelton. So if you have a specific question, you can be sure that you can get connected with her in that period. And so those office hours, and you can always contact your teacher, but you know that their physical presence, their live attention is going to be in that time frame, and so you can work through that schedule that way. So Science 6, again, these materials will be delivered through OdysseyWare, and you have access to this 24/7. It's just when you want to make sure you can get in contact with your teachers, it'll be through these office hours. So period 4 is going to be science on the 6th grade schedule that runs from 10:09 to 11:08. Related arts with Coach Mullins is going to be 5th period from 11:58 to 12:43. Social studies 6, 12:46 to 1:44, and language arts period 7, 1:46 to 2:45. And so for the RCL student, that's a great understanding in the sense that, hey, my teacher is going to be stationed in their room awaiting questions, awaiting just contact from people working through materials or needing even help just troubleshooting some technology. So I hope that helps. And if you do have any questions, please contact us. We are here for you.